Kailangan si Marco malambot ano eh.
Give some life. Give some life. 1, 2, and
Move your
like,
chin.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, move your head.
You can also move your head so you can give life. 1, 2.
Start me like this. Start me.
Yeah. 1.
Marco, join them. You need.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah,
Dito
good.
tayo.
Better.
Good.
So, you Christian. Sige, everyone. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3,
Move your chin.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Stiff pa, stiff.
Wait. Yeah.
Yan. Stiff. Tapos move your chin.
Touch na.
Yung buong katawan kinagano.
Sabihan kita. But don't lean.
Kaya nga, gumagano.
One.
Parang cheerleader. Cheerleader.
Kung maglilin ka, konti lang.
Oo, ganun. Stiff
1,
lang.
2. And it's not moving.
Kaya dapat sumayaw na tayo para mawala yung lamig.
Good massage.
No, it should be solid. What? Right.
So hard.
Up and down. It's like the movement is up and down. Not forward. The force should be up, down, up, down.
Like what you're doing.
Up.
I wasn't even punching him. I was doing like this now.
Not that.
Punch.
Oh, this. Marco, remember when I said
Hida.
Okay. Oh, the toes. Just press up. See? To sab? Yeah, yes, sir. Todo.
Okay, hands muna. 1, 2, 3,
Antes,
go.
baby.
1.
See, yeah, I'm not in trouble.
Not straight away.
Like, going
But I'm
down.
just a bit. Yeah, I know.
Un poco.
Like this.
Después, 2 días. Let's punch my mind.
Dapat yung dalawa sabay yung galaw nila sabay. Sabay. Yeah.
No, straight. First legs. 1, 2. Start with right. 3, 2, 1,
Pero,
go. 1. No, leave your arms.
I like with movement.
1, 2, 3, go. Right.
No.
Higher.
Not straight away. Parang
Higher.
1.
Okay, again. 3, 2, 1. No.
Not there, just looking.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's do the arms.
Yes.
Okay, start. Straight, yeah, straight. Not up like I used to do. Straight. Right, like that. It's hard.
Yes.
Matigas.
Like,
Right arm. Where's your right arm?
Here, yung parang umalis.
Alright. And then it goes like that. Like that. Make it hard. Make it hard. Is that right, Viper?
Straight, solid, straight.
Is that right?
Pero the movement up,
And then
down,
you
up,
can move
down.
your head, move your chin too. And then
Okay, much
it's
better.
alright. Let's make it straight, not like that.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Christian, not just like that, okay? Up, down, up, down. Up.
Bounce.
No.
Bang against your
Up.
bounce.
No, not straight away.
Go down. It's like Kevin
put
trying to
your hand
punch.
No, like this.
Like,
Go.
parang si, anong tawag sa Tekken, yung gano'n? Oh, may move na gano'n sa Tekken. May
Yung,
isa
yung
nakaganon.
movement up, down, up, down. Pero
Guys, focus.
the effect must be like stiff and straight. With the movement.
So you're not actually really punching.
What?
You're not really punching. You're not like that.
You're not, but,
No. Just
yeah, everyone's learning. Good. Again, 1, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Christian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More life, Christian.
Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Yan. Okay. Sige, with the legs. 1, right, left, 1, higher.
start with right. Start with right.
Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. More. Continue.
Hi!
Okay, good. Sige, together. 1, 2, 3, go.
Like this? No, other way around.
I don't know how to...
Marco, right arm up.
Fist it up.
This one. Right arm.
Sige, okay.
I cannot...
Marco.
Wait, yeah. Marco, go with next to Viper, next to Viper.
Huwag mong pagsabayin.
Ang hirap
Marco,
nga.
Marco.
Hindi talaga siya, no?
1.
Yan. Tapos basta tuloy mo.
Mine, sit right, this one.
Alternate.
It's too hard to put two things together.
No! Okay, practice. Okay.
Let's more down.
Make it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yan.
Oh, good. Ito.
Yan.
It's too...
Nahihirapan ako pagsabayin.
What else?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I don't know what else I'm not doing wrong. Right. Yeah.
Yan, tama.
Just wait until you and Viper see the full thing, and then you tell me what.
Legs, continue to yourself.
Maybe we should, play and then
Split.
boys first, then girls. So
sige.
you will see what...
Wait, no, everybody, the whole thing, and then Viper looks at the guys, Mima looks at the girls.
No, boys first.
No,
So then we're doing it out of formation.
Voice first.
Yeah, just, no, go there for formation.
Just do the formation. Just
So that we can see our...
Marco Minukut. Where is your back? Here?
Here? Wait, here.
Marco, it's not massageable.
Okay,
I can...
boys. Position. Everyone exit.
Our goal is so we should have...
Wait, yung food muna.
Yeah, and then the angas. The angas.
I putting my food inside the...
Guys,
You should...
I'm still full, okay? So
Yeah, don't move. Wait.
don't be too hard on me.
Yeah, just the timing,
Okay.
the proper,
Go down, go down, 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 go down.
The proper,
Huwag muna kayo galaw masyado.
Down.
Don't move so, pa.
Much.
Don't full out yet. Don't do full out. Full out.
Marco, okay. Aye.
Full out is the term on that. Hinggan mo lahat.
Pull out.
Okay?
I have to poop now.
Play.
Full out, boys.
Pull up.
Sorry. Lean. Diretso lean.
Okay.
Immediately lean.
Got it. Okay.
And after the lean, lean. Snap.
Basta lagyan niyo ng point kada galaw niyo.
Emphasize like, give edge. Edge. Lagyan nyo niyang edge.
What is
Parang may limit. Chig. Not chig.
There's a stop. There's a stop.
It's like there's yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Like, more than this, you cannot
Okay,
go.
practice muna without music.
Yan.
Again. 1. Sige. 1. And no, yeah, with the entrance. Okay, 1, 2. Lean, snap, snap. Again. Lean, snap, lean, snap. 1, 2, 3, go. Lean, snap, lean, snap. Okay, good improvement.
Ang ganda mag-ano yung vibe niya.
Thank you.
Feel ko maging si vibe rin. Yan! Yes!
Okay. Slowly.
Yung, kasama mo sa bilang mo yung lean.
Oh.
Lean snap. Lean.
And then snap. After.
Ano? Di ba gidulo lang ka na ganina? Lean, snap, lean, snap. Take your time. Wag niyo madaliin lahat. Dapat kasi din yung minamadali. Again, to the entrance. 1, 2, 3, go. Lean, snap,
Iwan ako.
snap, lean, snap. Ay, again.
Makinig ka kasi yung makinig.
1, 2, 3, go. Lean, snap, snap, lean, snap, snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Wave.
Wait.
Okay, ha? Basta counting. You, listen to the music. Counting in mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Wave. Pag ganyan talaga, stop talaga.
Yo, cross the hand.
Oh, basta. If you, pag wala kayong ginagawa, if you're doing nothing, like, for example, the step is like, just, stop. Both hands. Oh, yeah.
Ayan, yung pag
Yeah.
snap, yan. Andyan lang yung pag...
Just, wag bagsak yung other hand.
Edward.
Okay daw, Marco. Snap, snap.
Marco, hindi ka makakalimutan kaya. Ang sexy mo! Oh,
No. Your hand. It's not,
On your lapel.
it's different. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, pag ganyan. Oh, it's different.
So
Pag
wait.
ganyan, oh. Parang you're clutching something.
Not to be.
Or your shirt.
belt mo.
Yeah, as you, not too hard. Yeah, sige
It's
daw.
just something to hold, Marco. Just imagine.
Yes.
Sandal mo yung stomach.
Yan! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Lean, snap, snap, lean, snap, snap.
Yan, go po.
Timing ka lang. Again. Kayo din lahat ha. Learn from the person that I'm teaching. 1, 2, 3, go. Lean, snap,
Kamay mo yun.
snap, lean, snap, snap. Sige daw.
Sige, ako lang. Sabihan mo na lang.
Play. Go! One, two, three. Again.
Inakita ko nga sila yung mga kamay ng pagkalalaki nandito.
Oh, lean or dito. Oh, dito talaga.
Ganito?
Dapat.
Oo, yan.
Oh, yan. Dapat ganyan talaga.
Ganun.
It's occupied.
Ha? Ayun o.
Yeah, it's supposedly to be right
Yeah,
here.
it's like for boys.
Yeah, I do this all the time. Like, when I...
Tayo hinihila, ganun.
Binababa. Ibaba mo lang
No!
eh. Underwear
It's
mo
like
lang.
you're pulling it, you're holding it. Oh. Sige daw, eh.
Hulog.
Okay, here ha. Sige.
Baba.
Here daw.
The heck? Space
Pag
occupied,
once
bro.
lang. Ay, hindi. Stop. Dapat hindi siya masyadong solid na parang ganyan. It's, chill lang, chill. Yeah, chill. Chill.
You must wipe hands.
Both. Yeah, just, or like,
Yeah, sige yun sila. Kasi
sige.
See
Sige,
you, bro.
entrance. Play. Play, please. Thank you. Oh! Please, snap. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Wait.
Oh my gosh, Edward, you're so huggy!
Hey, don't say that during. Just don't focus.
Again.
Yung pag gano'n, bukan niyo yung kamay niyo wag ganito.
Wait lang.
Pag gano'n.
Wait lang.
Stiff talaga yung gano'n.
Yeah, but like, don't do my mind. Don't.
No, don't do my
But just like you're about to kiss a girl. Just
Like, Lion King.
chill. Just like,
like that. Just
yeah.
like.
Going in
Oo,
front.
nagdinig ko yung kasi nasa isang bahay kasi gusto mo ko.
Sige, play.
Like
Sige, entrance.
like you just did what Marco. Be free.
One, two, three, four. Stop.
Hey.
Nakakit ka ho. Sabi ko si Edward. Stop. Stop.
I like that!
You've got the swag, but need to
I don't
like
need to practice.
Solid
the solid
here.
well, everyone.
My purpose.
Yung sa groove.
Oh yeah,
It's
it's rough.
dapat. Okay.
Alright.
It's like this. Oh, chat.